CVM stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday is CEL SCI corporation stock buy. I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. It is the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. CVM, I'm here to tell you that it's a very decent, beautiful, bullish market. And all that to say is that if I mean, personally, me, how I'm looking at this is I just want to squeeze the most juice that I can out of this in terms of trying to be bullish and being a part of this movement. How's this going to look like? Well, if I do see the price pulling down, then giving me a double break, then and only then I'm looking to buy, right? If that doesn't happen, I'm not buying. Very simple. Doesn't get easier than this, honestly. Like, all I will be doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And with CVM, I've also got about, I don't have receipts on this, which is fine, you know, it's going to happen, but this is happening now. So stay tuned. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Conclusion, just waiting for a confirmation to hopefully long.